Monosaudio 17-gauge balanced interconnect cords, audio 3-pin XLR female to XLR male signal cable, OFC silver-plated XLR cable with braided sleeves, 1.5M/4.9 FT, a pair. XLR plug, high-purity brass silver-plated. Compatible with 2 XLR, left, black/right, red, port for DVD/Blu-ray players, DJ equipment, TVs, amplifier, speaker, Xbox 360, PS3, Wii, HD TV, A/V receiver, home stereo sound systems. Conductor, 99.9998% 5N single crystal copper with silver-plated connectors and nylon braided cable jacket. No more fear of wire breaking down after a few years of use with extra shielding. We have strict tests for each audio cable before we send it to you. The quality was far superior to other brand-used cables. It will hold up well over time. The components used and the thickness of the cable itself set it apart from cheaper cables. Each product we sold have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Our goal is to provide high-quality cable for you. Package, a pair of XLR cables. It's more than a cable, it's a music carnival. High-quality conductors ensure excellent sound quality. We pay attention to details and strive to provide a perfect product. So, put it in your cart and get ready for years of crystal clear sound. Pro Braid Cable. It is designed to connect a channel insert on a mixing console to an effects processor with phono jacks, delivers high performance and versatile full-range bass for your musical instrument audio device equipment. Give you the perfect sound quality. Professional quality. Offer a clear, smooth-flowing optimal signal, ensures minimum signal loss transfer, the right size, they always fit correctly, never too tight or too loose.